Here's the Ariya. Well, here I am again at Nissan. I'm waiting on the Ariya to get washed. Thanks, Josh. It's 18 minutes, 9 miles away from here. I wish it would say, instead of gas saving percentage. In the world. This one looks purple. Guys. I'm driving, this one has only 124 miles on the odometer. I'm at 27% battery at 110 miles of range. You can see it's purple.
In the sun.
This building is like massive. I'm like, what are we doing?
Is these sorts of things, lunch and learns and outreach and education. So we go to events and we just chat with people about EVs. So we are, it's a not-for-profit. Funding comes through the Department of Energy and wherever else we.
Look, it's green over here. It's purple over here. What kind of paint job is this? Yeah. See how it moves?
Wow.
There we go. Hi. This is Eric from Kia, and he's exploring the Nissan Ariya. Woohoo!
Ooh, yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, right on.
Wow. Funny how like everything's like similar position, like in most vehicles. It's just kind of they put their own like creative touch on it. So, do you have a parking assist on here too?
It's touch.
It's like people that like Android or iPhone. Yeah, there's something for everybody.
Probably see. Oh yeah.
You tilt your head.
Look at that. It might be so fun to drive like that. Hi. This is Christy from Drive Clean, Colorado.
Hi.
What do you think about the Nissan Ariya?
It's a really smooth interior. Everything's pretty simple. And yeah, it's just clean looks, clean lines. And as I was telling Caroline, it just felt like where they have everything makes it an easy conversion from an ICE vehicle, an internal combustion engine, to an EV.
Awesome, thank you. What a day for a car show. At Denver Water, I've had several people sit in the car, and that's one of the fun things, to push all the buttons. Either green or purple or both. Oh, there comes the ID4. Wow. So right, I kept it on for a little bit. The battery's down to 88 miles. We're charging here at the 7.1 kilowatts. I gained a percentage, so now I'm at 79 miles of range. So underneath here is a charger, and it works. So we'll make a video on that. Here's how we know the phone is charging, and it's charging. It won't work on mine, so I have the cord plugged in. The heads-up display has my next turn, and has it here. Oh my god, I got it into something blue. What is blue? What is blue? Look at all the cars around me. It's not even right, kind of. It's so jumpy. It's steering. I can feel it steering. I don't want to let go. I'm not letting go. I'm not going to let go. I can feel it steering. I'm not going to let, oh my God. It saw me not looking, even through my sunglasses. Can you see the heads-up display? Where's it monitoring my eyes? So I'm almost back to Nissan at 170 miles on the odometer, 13% battery, 50 miles of range. I literally just had it on its, we can't call it, is it called autopilot something? It was blue. So here I am, and Julia's calling me. I don't know, watch me, Julia. There'll be plenty of outtakes when I'm making a video and Julia goes, "Hey, Caroline." It's like a purpley color. Ooh, yeah, Ariya number 2, baby. What? I didn't pay him to say that. Today is a great day because that truck is nasty. Okay, outtakes. I put out more photos. Today's a great day with no clouds, so I can't do a time lapse. How do I do a time lapse? You can see the highway. That's weird. I wonder if I should test out desk on the road. All these are outtakes, so it's fine. Let's test it out, shall we? Oh, and if the moonroof was open, I couldn't do desk on the road. There's a handle and desk on the road. So yeah. So I did a thing. I didn't pay him to say that.